Most leaders don't wake up and decide to build the wrong things. They make decisions with the information they have, and that information often looks reasonable on the surface. Demand reports look fine, capacity plans look balanced, inventory levels don't immediately raise alarms. And yet months later, teams realize they've been building the wrong mix, too early, too late, or in the wrong sequence. The problem usually isn't effort, it's what leaders can actually see when decisions are made. In many organizations, build decisions are made with partial visibility. Leaders see demand forecasts, high-level capacity, and total inventory. But they don't see which materials are truly available, which constraints are already consumed, and which orders are actually executable versus theoretical. So decisions get made based on assumptions, not reality. The system doesn't fail loudly. It quietly starts builds that look right until execution proves otherwise. This is where most organizations struggle. Plans are created assuming materials will arrive as expected, capacity will behave as planned, and priorities won't change. Execution lives in a different world. Parts arrive late, constraints shift, urgent orders appear mid-cycle. Without clear visibility into what is truly buildable right now, teams start work that can't be finished, blocks downstream capacity, and creates WIP and invisible inventory. That's how organizations stay busy, but don't move forward. Most leaders think they need more detail, more reports, more dashboards, more metrics. But the issue isn't volume, it's clarity. Leaders don't need to see everything. They need to see what is executable, what is constrained, and what decisions actually matter this cycle. When that clarity is missing, teams default to starting work instead of finishing the right work. To stop building the wrong things, leaders need 3 simple answers. Consistently. What can we actually build right now? Not planned, not hoped for, actually executable. What should we not start yet, even if demand exists? Where will starting the wrong work create downstream blockage? When leaders can see that clearly, behavior changes fast. Less WIP, fewer late surprises, better use of constrained resources. Most organizations don't fail because they lack plans. They fail because they don't have clear visibility between planning and execution. Once leaders can clearly see what is buildable and what isn't, they stop starting the wrong work. The next step is understanding how to create that visibility intentionally instead of reacting after the fact. I'm Michelle with Streamline Consulting Group, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. Let's fix the flow and grow your business. Subscribe, like, and share for more streamlined insights.